Welcome to the top 10 proposal management challenges and how to overcome them. So this is a webinar by OST Global Solutions. Let's actually go ahead and jump straight into the material of the webinar and talk about the challenges. So here's what I've realized. I've been tracking over the years, for the last 8 years, very consciously, prior to that perhaps unconsciously, all the challenges that proposal professionals face. And I've looked at the global survey results. I've looked at a variety of tools that the APMP launches. I've been keeping logs of my own of different challenges. I've been reading literature, such as BDCMM version 1.0, and right now I'm reading version 2.0, trying to see what is our profession really grappling with. I've been attending APMP events. So throughout all this time, I've been collecting essentially what are people really struggling with our profession. And I've also launched LinkedIn discussions on top 3 proposal management challenges to see what are people really dealing with right now. So I wanted to get kind of an across-the-board, up-to-date refresher on what people are grappling with now. And the results essentially weren't surprising. It was really interesting. It was almost like preaching to the choir. The results were almost the same. Challenges largely remain the same. It's the second decade of the 21st century, and we still are grappling with the same issues that were largely around in the last 10 years, in the last 20 years, some of them. Although the order of priority perhaps has changed, and some of the nuances may have changed, and the way we deal with them may have changed. So they are also surprisingly similar in the commercial and government markets, also similar in different countries. So not only the U.S. suffers from these, but they are similar across the world, the globe. So because of LinkedIn, we're actually connected to a lot of people across the world, and it's surprising and I don't know, sometimes disheartening, sometimes actually comforting to see that they're dealing with the same things. And what's really important in these is not so much the challenges. So as we say, misery loves company, but in this particular case, it's really how we resolve all those challenges. So some of them are harder to resolve than others, I admit, but hopefully I'm going to give you a few tips that you can take away from this webinar that are going to be incredibly useful.